Welcome to Naina Art TV. Hey little artist, today, let's color a magic house with a story. Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a little girl named Lily. Lily loved to draw, and her favorite thing to draw was houses. She drew all kinds of houses. Big houses, small houses, colorful houses, and even houses with curly rooftops and tall towers. One sunny afternoon, Lily decided to draw the most beautiful house she could imagine. She sat by her window with her crayons and a big sheet of paper. First, she drew the outline of the house with a tall, pointed roof. Then she added windows with flower boxes and a bright red door. She even drew a chimney with a little curl of smoke. Lily was so pleased with her drawing style, she wished it could be real. Just as she finished adding the final touches, something magical happened. Her drawing started to glow and shimmer. Before she knew it, the house she had drawn lifted off the paper and grew right in front of her eyes, standing tall in her backyard. Lily couldn't believe her eyes. She ran but sighed and touched the house. It was real! She opened the red door. Ank stepped inside. The inside of the house was just as wonderful as the outside. There were cozy rooms, soft carpets, and a warm fireplace. Each window had a perfect view of her garden. As Lily explored, she found a tiny room at the top of a spiral staircase. Inside, there was a little desk with a magical pen and paper. She realized that whatever she drew with this special pen would come to LFE. Lily spent hours drawing beautiful gardens, friendly animals, and even a small pond with fish that sparkled like gems. Every day, Lily's magical house filled her life with wonder and adventure. She invited her friends to come and play, and they all marveled at the incredible things she created. The magic house became the happiest place in town, filled with laughter and joy. Lily learned that with a little imagination and a lot of heart, wonderful things could happen. And so, she lived happily ever after in her magical house, where dreams and drawings came to life. One sunny afternoon, in the magical garden of the house, Lily and her friends were playing hide and seek. As they ran around, they discovered a small, sparkling key hidden under a flower. They wondered what it could unlock. Excited, they decided to search the house for a matching lock. After a thorough search, they found a hidden door behind a large bookshelf in the library. The key fit perfectly. With a click, the door opened to reveal a room filled with beautiful drawings, just like the one that brought the house to life. Each drawing depicted a different magical place, a castle in the clouds, an underwater kingdom, a forest full of wit fairies. Lily and her friends realized that the magic house was not the only magical place they could visit. With the key, they could unlock endless adventures. They spent the rest of the day exploring these new worlds, each more wondrous than the last. As the sun began to set, they returned to the magical house, feeling grateful for the day's adventures. They knew that no matter how many new places they visited, the magic house would always be their favorite. They gathered in the cozy living room, sharing stories and laughter, and made a pact to always cherish their magical adventures. They understood that the real magic was in their friendship and the joy they found in exploring together. With a promise to return the next day, they stepped back outside. The house shimmered and returned to being a beautiful drawing on Lily's paper. Lily tucked the drawing and the key safely away, knowing that the magic was always there, ready to be unlocked whenever they needed it. And so, Lily and her friends continued to have countless adventures, always returning to their magical house, where dreams and imagination came to life. See you next time with new storytelling drawings. Thanks for watching.